Jackie. Hi. Hi, Jackie. Is that your baby?
What a terrible thing to happen to such a great star, RuPaul. Can I sneak out back? I'll go out
Is that your baby?
the way I came in. Hey, Ru, what are you? Wait just a minute, RuPaul.
Oh, Jackie, your baby's beautiful. Your baby's beautiful, Jackie.
Please. Now it's time for the judges' critiques. Up first, Nina West. This look, I can talk till I'm blue in the face. I love all the macabre Victoriana of it all. A very polished and successful piece. In your meeting in the ladies' room, from the minute you walked in, I was riveted. It was just enough over the top where it needed to be. You could have not had any lines and you still would have shined. You were very prepared, you were
Jackie.
and you were very funny.
Hi, Jackie.
Up next, Roxy Andrews. You were breathtaking in that scene. And I was laughing the whole time. The look, the hair was ridiculous, and I really loved your
You
performance.
gonna take it for your baby?
I would have loved maybe a little
Hey,
more over
you
the
taking
top
it for your
because
baby?
I love camp. But let's